Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Take a cup of your favorite tea and just enjoy watching the video with such relaxing music. And don't forget to make a list of new products for your makeup bag. I'm going to show you makeup this winter without bright sparkles and long eyeliners. You could see this makeup on me on Instagram a long time ago. I film it in the same technique for you now, but on a different, more available palette. Enjoy viewing, and if you like this format, please thumbs up my video. First of all, I'm going to use green concealer from LAMEL and cover up any redness on my face. It's very cheap brand and it's the most comfortable shape of concealer, looks like lipstick. Now for foundation, I'm taking Bourjois Healthy Mix Serum. The formula includes lychee, pomegranate and goji fruits, so it smells so delicious. Very light texture, it just melts on the skin, invisible on my face, but it also smooths out the tone of my face and makes the skin shining. Next, I'm going to take concealer from ESTRADE. I'm applying it under my eyes and around my nose where redness appears on skin. This product has moisturizing texture, so it doesn't gather into the creases, but it just smooths out the skin and masks skin imperfections. This concealer doesn't make skin shining. Then I make my brows wider in shape with brown shadows and I make them more raised like arch. I like to make my eyebrows a little higher. It opens my eyes, makes my eyelids wider, and then makeup will be better visible. I made in brows shades from CATRICE, slightly raise the hairs. It will give a more natural look to the eyebrows. I'm going to contour my face with NYX Sculptor in cold brown shade. I made it under my cheekbones where natural shadow is. And visually my cheekbones become sharper and raised. And I make my nose visually smaller by contouring the tip of my nose and down bridge of my nose. My currently beloved bronzer from CATRICE, Sun Lover, gives my skin a light tan effect. I'm putting it on the higher points of the cheekbones, on my forehead, the places that everyone usually have firstly tanned by sun, and I'm putting it slightly on my nose for the same effect. Bronzer will give a tan and radiance look for your skin. Now I'm going to use pink blush from Makeup Revolution. I seldom use blush, but I like this one. It's soft pink and nice, and the face looks even more fresh and light with it. For eye makeup, I will use a cute little palette from BRONX check&mate. It includes 2 colors and nude lip gloss. I did the makeup on such shades on the limited palette by Carly Bible that you can see on my Instagram. I decided to recreate it on a more available palette. There is a technique for applying eyeshadows in this BRONX palette. I'm just going to do something similar. At first, I'm putting a dark brown shade on the outer corner of my eye. I use a large brush for blending. These are very cool matte eyeshadows. It's so easy to blend them and they don't crumble at all. I'm blending brown shade into my crease and towards the temple. I'm picking up the product again and applying it in the same way. First, I'm putting a dark spot on the outer corner of the eye and drawing it and blending it into the crease and towards the temples, creating the shape of a bird on my eyes. I'm drawing with the same brush on a lower lash line, creating one line that goes to the temples. How cool they are blending! Look how perfect are these eyeshadows. The second shade is a champagne color from this palette, gold, very beautiful eyeshadows, but it's not tight enough, so I'm going to apply it in several times. And I'm using a flat brush for application. I'm not blending them like with blending brush, I'm just laying them on my eyelid and I'm applying the same shade on the lower lash line. Look how my natural eye color becomes brighter and colorful with these eyeshadows. My eyes looks very deep with these colors. Combination of brown and gold eyeshadows is very spectacular and glamorous for blue-eyed and green-eyed girls. For highlighter, I'm taking warm shade from VIVIENNE Sabo Mariniere palette. I'm applying the product to the highest points of the cheekbones. I like that it's soft, not very bright and not pigmented. It just creates a slight glow on the skin. I'm adding it on the bridge of my nose and on tip of nose just a little bit to give the skin radiance. And I'm putting this shade by my finger on the inner corners of the eyes as eyeshadows. It complements the makeup perfectly. Next, I'm taking my favorite mascara from VIVIENNE Sabo Cabaret Premiere. It's in jet black color. It lengthens the lashes well, adds volume, and the eyelashes look very neatly when made up. I love the combination of such shades. I just can't stop looking at it. Who else loves similar colors? Please write what your favorite shades are. For the lips, I'm using soft brown pencil from 17. I'm drawing lip contour and then applying it over my lips. Brown shades make lips look bigger and more voluminous. Next, I'm taking light nude lip gloss from the BRONX kit. I love this beige color. The gloss is thick, that is also great because a more lasting result comes out with thick glosses, and such lip makeup can be bring more longer than with light lip gloss. Combination of gold brown eyeshadows and glossy nude lips looks very tasty and glamorous, although all makeup is done by cheap products. Girls, I hope you had a nice time with me today and learned something new. Write how did you celebrate the new year. I wanna start 2020 with more videos in English. I'll try and I will improve my English. Thank you for watching. I love you, my beauties. Thank you for your support. Wish you love and happiness in everything you do. Hugs and see you in the next video. Bye.